Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to look back at pandas and continuing with our list of baby names. So, alright. Last time we learned what this pandas thing is. It's a data frame. Then we learned about the awesome method of how to find the little top. The head of, but what in the world is this? So I see maybe Hawaii, there's a name, and what is this? So alright, if we looked at inside our file, we saw this right here. So let's pull this open and let's look and see what this is. So alright, the first is a 2-digit state code, sex of the individual, 4 digits for the year, starting in 1910, then the name, and then the number of occurrences. So okay, you don't have to remember that because I've made a note for it, and we will cheat a little bit and I'll do this. So, okay, let's do that. So, alright, it was state, gender, year, name, and then the number of occurrences. Occurrences is too hard for me to spell, so I changed it to count. So, alright. If we look really closely, so I'm going to show you there's 2 ways to do this. So I will show you the first way, which with this setup the way it is right now is the bad way. So alright, I want everybody to look really close. So the method is columns, and then you just assign it to whatever variable. So I could type in a list, or this works. So I want you to, oops, hang on, let's rerun this. Helps if you always bring in. So alright, hi dot columns equals col. So I didn't import that. So okay, now this is here, but I want you to watch what the first occurrence is. So if I do this and pull up head again, I want you to look and see what happened. Because what Pandas is doing is it took that first row and made it the header. That's also what this is. Columns, that I'm going to show you another, but this is, it took it and made it the header. So when I replaced the header or the column names, and I'm going to use that word very closely, names as a hint, it replaced it. So this technique right here, bad. So now if I were to change this to header none, this will work. So alright, watch this. So it's going to pull it down. Now I'm going to repeat this. So everybody remember that the first one was Mary. So now I do columns col. Now I pull up the head, and Mary still exists. Now this technique might be if you didn't have a helper file and you have to see it and try to figure out and name it. This works fine, but let's say you already knew what you were going to name these. Okay, see how I keep saying name? So now when I run this and I call, boom, Mary. So this is if you happen to know what they're going to be, how many there are. If you have that advantage, you can do it ahead of time. But if you do not know what the columns are going to be named, make sure you do header none, so you can leave that space. And let me go back and show you this so you can see what it is. I left this part out, so I apologize. None. It actually gives it here. So it doesn't leave it blank. It has to have some sort of value, and then you just override when you do assign it columns. So there we go, guys. I want to tell you guys thanks for watching. Hope you guys are really getting something out of this. Hope you guys are enjoying where we're going, because we're trying to really do some pretty cool stuff. But as always, thanks for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that watermark for me, and also make sure you hit the notification bell. Got videos all the time. But stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please leave any comments, questions, or my all-time favorite, any video requests, because if I've missed something, if I've gone too fast with these, I need to know about it, because the point of this is for you to have one place to come. But stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.